Hey there YouTube, it's Marvin here. Welcome to the channel. Another good tool or device to consider if you own a car. This is the 4-in-1 jump starter with a built-in tire inflator. You can also use it as a power bank, and it also has a built-in LED. It has like SOS and the strobe light features. I've had it for about a month now, so I can share with you guys my actual experience using it, not just, like for the sake of this video. So with that said, let's start with a quick unboxing so that we can see what we get inside the box, and let's check some, basic features. Alright, so here's the GOOLOO A5, and I really like that it comes with a nice heavy-duty carrying case. That also makes the unboxing very simple for me because everything is already inside the carrying case, nicely and organized. I also like that it has a separate compartment for the A5 itself, because if you like keeping your stuff looking new all the time and don't want any scratches, so this is really thoughtful, when they designed the case. So we have the smart jumper cable with very strong alligator clips, meaning you will get a secure connection when jump starting your car. So let's talk about this for a moment. The A5 has polarity protection, which will prevent damage and dangerous spark if the red and the black lamps are connected the wrong way. Basically, it cuts off the power to help protect your car's electronics and battery. You just want to start your car, not to create more trouble, so it's good to have this safety feature. It's also very simple to understand. If you see the red light, it means the clamps are connected incorrectly. If you see the green light, then you are good to go. But if you see a flashing green light after correcting the connection, that means your battery is very low or completely depleted. So you need to press that boost button to help start the vehicle. According to the user manual, not to press the boost button before correcting the polarity, so take note of that. Again, you don't want that big spark to happen. All you want is to start your car so that you can keep driving. Alright guys, so there you go, 2006 Mazda 5 with the completely depleted battery, easy peasy for the GOOLOO A5 4000 amperes jump starter. And we also get two USB cables, USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C, which I honestly didn't expect because usually products like this only comes with one charging cable. So that's actually pretty generous of the GOOLOO. Next, we got an inflator hose, which has a quick connect design. I personally prefer this over the thread one because you lose less pressure when disconnecting the hose. So that's another A+ for the GOOLOO A5. And also comes with a different air nozzles and needle for inflating balls and balloons, and even comes with a press starter threader adapter for bikes. Myself, I have 3 bikes, so this is just perfect. So overall, the GOOLOO A5 really comes with pretty much everything you need while on the go. Another unique design of the GOOLOO A5 is the handle strap, which I really like because this is actually doubles as USB cable with up to 45 watts output. It can easily charge your cell phone, your laptop, or any other USB powered device you have. So the GOOLOO A5 is just super versatile and convenient. It is 4-in-1 jump starter, tire inflator, massive power bank, and emergency SOS LED light built in. And I like that all the ports are located just in one place, right on top. The USB-A output, USB-C input for charging the A5, the tire inflator port, and the jumper cable port, making it very convenient and easy to use. Now, let me share with you the first time I used this GOOLOO A5, and this is a very good example how convenient it is to have a jump starter like this. I was installing a dashcam in my truck and I forgot to turn off the interior lights. I also left the door open, so it's just drained my battery. And by the time I finished the installation, I was gonna try the dash cam and my truck doesn't start anymore. So I do have a jumper cables, but again, the battery of my Mazda 5 is also dead, and I don't have any another vehicle to jump start the truck. So like the GOOLOO A5 saved my day at the time. I got my key fob here, and you guys can see, watch the dash. That's it. And I'm going to start. You cannot start. Right, so what I'm going to do is to use the GOOLOO to start my truck because the battery of my truck is already weak. Alright, so I got my GOOLOO here, 4000 amperes, 160 psi. Oops, that's the positive. Okay. Let's gonna connect the negative first. This is a really strong alligator clip, so the contact is really secure. Like that. Right, so I'm gonna go inside and try to start the truck. Alright, so there you go, easy peasy for the GOOLOO A5, 4000 amperes. My truck F-150, it starts like right away. I also used the A5 compressor to top up all 4 tires when I moved the wheels from my Mazda 5 to my daughter's Mazda 3. After using it on all 4 tires, the battery was still showing full bars, which is very impressive. So this should give you an idea how capable the A5 Inflator is, even, you know, before testing it on a totally flat tire. I'm going to make another video testing the compressor until the battery dies, but for now, let's try it with my Toyota Celica, which has also been sitting for a long time. This car does not start at all, so I'm going to crank it maybe 10 times, and let's see how many bars are left on the A5 after that. So this is the 4th tire, and all 4 only had around 24 to 30 psi or even less, because again, this car has been sitting in my driveway for at least 3 years now, and as you guys can see, the A5 still showing full bars. So now let's try cranking the Toyota Celica. Hopefully it will start, because that would really make me happy, but I doubt it, since I think, you know, the fuel pump of this Celica is bad. But let's go. Right, so the both positive and negative are connected, and I got like a green blinking light right there, so that means that the battery is totally dead, or, you know, like, again, I haven't started this car for about 6 months now, or maybe almost a year, because I think the fuel pump is gone. So I'm gonna press the reset button, the boost. There you go, I got a solid green light, and I'm going to try to start the car. See, oh, huh, oops, it doesn't start at all. So I don't know what's going on, but let's hopefully the engine is not seized. All right, let's try it again. Two. Uh-oh, that's 2 crank, and it's so that's 2 crank, and okay, I think we have to reset the boost button again. So we're gonna try to crank it for the 3rd time. What I'm trying to do here is to crank it 3 times, but actually the GOOLOO A5 is not really full, but let's see. 3, 4, All right, so every time I crank it, twice, the GOOLOO A5, I have to reset it. So that's a total of 4 cranks. So let's do it again. Okay. All right, so that is 7 cranks. The GOOLOO A5 is still showing 2 bars. Again, I haven't charged it really fully. It shows like full bars, but it's still charging. So like it's just it takes a while to charge. I forgot to charge it last night. So that's 7 cranks. So we're gonna crank it 3 more times. Uh-oh. All right, so that's 8. All right, so that's 8, and now it says it shows like red. I don't know why, but if I get to disconnect first. And all right, so why the thing is showing red, I have no clue. So the GOOLOO A5 showing red. I have to check that in the manual why it's showing red. And the wire is not really hot, it's just warm. So let's turn it off first. And I'll turn it off. Right, that's still showing red. Let's unplug this one first. And plug this again. Right, so it's not showing red anymore. Let's connect it again. Green. And I reset it. It goes back to green. So that's the 7 times or 8 times, but we're just gonna try to crank it 3 times more. So that's 8 cranks. See what do we got here? Shows green blinking light again. Just gonna reset that, and hopefully we can get 2 more cranks. All right, so that's actually total of 13 or 14 cranks. And yeah, I'm not so lucky. My Celica didn't really start, so for sure there's something wrong with it. Again, maybe the fuel pump or whatever. But I don't have that much time to look at it right now. But it's gonna show you guys here that the GOOLOO A5 still showing 2 bars. So again, it wasn't really fully charged, probably 90 or 95%, but it's showing full bars already on the bar. But that doesn't mean that it's really full charge when still charging, right? So that's the GOOLOO A5, 4000 amperes, 160 psi. We cranked the 1992 Toyota Celica that's been sitting there for a while, 13 times. I also use it for my F-150, and then, you know, like the tire inflator for my Mazda 5 wheels. So I think that is, this GOOLOO A5 really did a good job. I just don't know what is that mean, like it goes red like twice. I have to check the user manual to see what does that mean, but otherwise this really does the job. So overall, I'm really impressed with the GOOLOO A5. Definitely super convenient to have it in your car all the time. Again, this is not just a jump starter, you also get the tire inflator, power bank, and emergency light all in one with a strobe light and SOS function. After testing it today, I can honestly say it's very handy, especially for emergencies, or if you have a car sitting for a long time just like mine, or maybe accidentally drained your battery. The GOOLOO A5 will really save your day, avoid frustration and all of that. So far, I'm really happy with it. I had it for over a month now, so if you guys interested, I will leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.